Well, what do we have here? Another unboxing video? I guess it's another unboxing video. Hello everyone, it is I, Netrunner Gaming HD. Today, I got something very special in the mail today from an app called Temu. I picked this up for around $10. It was around actually $11 with tax, but it was on sale for about 10 bucks. And I figured, you know what? I like to have this because why the fuck not? I gotta be careful here. Oh, yeah. Now, as you can tell, it's a shirt. It's a large shirt because that's my size. I wonder what that blue is right there. Funny that you ask. This happens to be one of my favorite anime characters of all time. One of the most legendary anime characters of all time. And it's not the greatest looking shirt in the world, but I figured for 10 bucks, since it was on sale, since it was on a clearance sale, why the hell not? Hello, Android 18. Nice ass. Yeah, I saw this was on sale on Temu and I figured I'd pick it up because why the fuck not? And now I have a shirt. I gotta be careful with this. And I have the figure itself. This one was ordered from AliExpress though. Alright, I got me a Dragon Ball shirt, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to do it for this unboxing video. Thank you all so much for watching. Netrunner Gaming HD signing out. Peace, stay safe, have a great rest of the day or night, and I'll see you in the next video. And man, oh man, what a crazy last 30 hours it's been, hasn't it? Rest in peace, Ozzy Osbourne. I'll probably do a video talking about him sometime soon.